What is DeFi? Traditional centralized finance ain't cutting it, and investing in crypto the old way, by buying low and hoping to sell high, just isn't enough. Evolution is the answer to everything that exists, and finance is no exception. In this video, I'll go over what is DeFi. Decentralized finance, or DeFi, is a form of finance that does not rely on centralized finance, such as brokerages, exchanges, or banks to offer traditional financial instruments, and instead utilizes smart contracts on blockchains, the most common being Ethereum. If you're not sure what blockchains are, check out my video called What is Blockchain Technology at the end of this video. DeFi platforms allow people to lend or borrow funds from others, speculate on price movements on a range of assets using derivatives, trade cryptocurrencies, insure against risks, and earn interest in savings-like accounts. Some ways to make money with DeFi are lending, which offers higher rates than traditional centralized finance, true control over your finances, and it's all collateralized. Another way to make money with DeFi is providing liquidity, which is when someone provides their crypto assets to a platform to help with decentralization of trading. In return, they are rewarded with fees generated by trades on that platform, which can be thought of as a form of passive income. Incentives such as airdrops are another way to earn money with DeFi, and is when a distribution of a cryptocurrency's token or coin, usually for free, to numerous wallet addresses. Airdrops are primarily implemented as a way of gaining attention and new followers, resulting in a larger user base and a wider disbursement of coins. Some DeFi applications promote high interest rates but are subject to high risk. Beware of scams as well, such as DeFi rug pulls. As of January 2021, approximately $20.5 billion was invested in DeFi. It's still early, but as more people enter the space, DeFi rewards may lower over time. DeFi revolves around applications known as dApps, or decentralized applications, that perform financial functions on digital ledgers or blockchains. Rather than transactions being made with and through a centralized intermediary, such as a cryptocurrency exchange, transactions are directly between participants, mediated by smart contract programs. dApps are typically accessed through a web-enabled browser extension or application, such as MetaMask, which allows users to directly interact with the Ethereum blockchain through a website. Many of these dApps can connect and work together to create complex financial services. For example, stablecoin holders can commit assets to a liquidity pool. Others can borrow from this pool by contributing additional collateral, typically more than the amount of the loan. The protocol automatically adjusts interest rates based upon the moment-to-moment demand for the asset. dApps are designed to be global from day one. Whether you're in Texas or Tanzania, you have access to the same DeFi services and networks. Of course, local regulations may apply, but technically speaking, most DeFi apps are available to anyone with an internet connection. Some of the characteristics of these dApps include 1. Permissionless to create, permissionless to participate. Anyone can create DeFi apps and anyone can use them. Unlike finance today, there are no gatekeepers or accounts with lengthy forms. Users interact directly with the smart contracts from their crypto wallets. 2. Flexible user experience. What if you don't like the interface to a certain dApp? No problem, you can use a third-party interface or build your own. Smart contracts are like an open API that anyone can build an app for. 3. Interoperable. New DeFi applications can be built or composed by combining other DeFi products like Lego pieces. For example, stablecoins, decentralized exchanges, and prediction markets can be combined to form entirely new products. Finally, DeFi dApps represent a formidable alternative to traditional financial services, and they are growing in popularity thanks to the trustless, immutable, and transparent characteristics of blockchain. Internet users can participate in this new generation of financial services without the need for centralized permission structures and rent-seeking intermediaries. Given the number of innovative dApps that are already providing value and utility to consumers, blockchain's revolutionary effect on finance is no longer an issue of potential, but a very real phenomenon. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this video informative, do like, subscribe, and share this video. Don't forget to give comments and provide us with your feedback. See you in the upcoming video, and until then, stay tuned to Crypto Headz.